Yo, this is Brother Johnson coming live from the Prince Peace Lodge. These are people that's invading our privacy from the Prince Peace Lodge. I'm Brother Johnson, 54th and Hoover Street, Los Angeles, California. 54th and Hoover Street, Prince Peace Lodge, Brother Johnson. My lodge registration is the same registration, same address shown on this guard card. Is my lodge registration to the Prince Peace Lodge. Is the same address shown on this guard card. Is registered to the Prince Peace Lodge. I'm Brother Johnson. These people have a problem with me and my family in my lodge. Check this out. I'm in Odessa, Texas. 607 Bill Street, Odessa. 79761. Whoop, there it is. Did you say whoop, there it is? You said whoop, there it is. Say whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. See? You got the people right here. Here you go. Brother Johnson coming live from the Prince Peace Lodge. 54th and Hoover Street, Los Angeles. My lodge registration is on this fucking guard card. You understand that? This is Brother Johnson. Prince Peace Lodge, bitch.